This is Calculus, Topic 1.3, from Section 2.2, number 58. We want to convert this into an exponential function. So what we do is we introduce two exponential functions. So for these 2 points, y equals a times b to the x, and again, y equals a b to the x. Okay, this is an x value, this is a y value, so we're going to place the x and y value into this x and y value. So this will be 1.2 a b to the power of 1. Now from here we're going to solve for a. B to the 1 is simply b, so this will be 1.2 equals a times b. And I can divide both sides by b, and I'll get 1.2 over b for a. And that's a solved. Now let's go over here, and we're going to place in this for x and this for y, and this for a. So y becomes 0.108, a becomes 1.2 all over b, and b is raised to the third power. Okay, now from here, this will remain 0.108 and 1.2. I'm going to combine the b to the third divided by b, which gives me b squared. Now I'll divide both sides by 1.2. If I divide both sides by 1.2, let's see here, 0.108 divided by 1.2, and I'm getting 0.09. So 0.09 equals b squared, and I'll take the square root of both sides, and I'll get 0.3 equals b. Now, I'll take this value of 3, and I'll put it here for b here, so I'll get 1.2 all over 0.3, and this gives me a is 4. A is 4, and I have b here is 0.3. So my final answer will be y equals a is 4, and b is 0.3 all raised to the x power, and that's my function. Okay, now let's take a look at problem number 62. 62, our points are -1, 2, and the other point is 3, 1. So once again, we'll start off with two exponential functions, generic exponential functions. Y equals ab to the x, and y equals ab to the x. Okay, we'll put this for x and this for y. So 2 equals a b to the -1. And then we're going to solve for a. Now, b to the -1 means that we take the reciprocal of b, and this becomes 2 equals a over b. And then to solve for the a, we'll multiply both sides by b. So we get 2b on this side, and we get a on that side. Okay, from here, we can put in both 3 for x and 1 for y. So 1 equals 2b for the a, and then times the b to the, let's see, x is to the third power. So we get 1 equals 2 b to the 4th. Divide both sides by 2, and we get 1/2 equals b to the 4th. And now we take the 4th root of both sides, and we get the 4th root of 1/2, and this all equals b. Now let's go over here and put the 1/4 of 1/2 here. So we get 2, and the 4th root of 1/2 equals a. So now that we have solved for a and b, we can now rewrite this as y equals 2 1/4 root of 1/2. Let's move this over. In parentheses, 4th root of 1/2, all raised to the x power. Now, I'll give you a way of kind of cleaning this up just a bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write this 1/4 as a fraction. Oh, sorry, this 4 as a fraction, 1/4. And this also is a fraction, so this will be 1/2, 1/4, and then all raised to the x. So this x is now here. So this is x-fourths. Let's write that a little better. Y equals 2, 1/2 to 1/4 power, and here 1/2 to the x fourths power. but either way is correct.